adjective of quantity. It indicates how much of things is referred to. As for example, I need some sugar. Some. The word some in this sentence is adjective of quantity. Example number 2. There is a much milk in the cup. The word much is an adjective of quantity. He has spent all his money. He has spent all his money. The word all is an adjective. There was a heavy rain yesterday. There was a heavy rain yesterday. The word heavy, it is an adjective. Now, the kind adjective of number. Number 3, adjective of number. It tells us how many things or person are referred to. As for example, he has some apples. The word some is adjective of number. I have 10 books. The word 10, it is an adjective of number. I have done all work. I have done all work. The word all is an adjective of number also. He won the first prize. The word first is adjective of number. Right? Now, one more example. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4 make 10. The word 1, 2, 3, 4, all these are adjective of number. Now the next. Now, always remember that some adjective may be used as an adjective of quantity as well as adjective of number. As for example, he is eating some rice. The word some, it is adjective of quantity as well as it is adjective of number. There are 2 boys. The word 2, it is adjective of quantity and adjective of number also. There are many pictures in this book. The word many you can use as well as a quantity, adjective of quantity as well as adjective of number in both.